Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars for Money. Today we'll be talking about the top 7 used sports cars between $30,000 and $50,000 from some of your favorite brands. Make sure you stick around to see which car best suits your needs and budget. Let's start with a fan favorite, Porsche. We have 2 fantastic options for you in this price range. First up is the Porsche Cayman. With its mid-engine layout and exceptional handling, this car offers a pure driving experience. Available in a range of engines from the base 2.7-liter flat-six with 275 horsepower to the powerful 3.4-liter S with 325 horsepower, there's a Cayman for everyone. Prices start from around $35,000 for a well-maintained example. Moving on to BMW, we have the M4 and the M2. The M4 is a stunning luxury sports coupe with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six producing 425 horsepower. You can find a used M4 for around $45,000, but be cautious of high-mileage examples, as they can require expensive maintenance. The M2, on the other hand, is a more compact sports coupe with a smaller price tag. With its turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, it still packs a punch, producing 365 horsepower. A used M2 can be found for as low as $35,000. If you're looking for something sporty yet practical, consider the Range Rover Sport. With its luxurious interior and off-road capabilities, it offers a unique blend of performance and comfort. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 producing 340 horsepower, but if you're looking for more power, there's also a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 with 510 horsepower. Prices start from around $40,000 for a well-equipped model. Be aware of potential high maintenance costs, as Range Rovers are known for their pricey repairs. Next up is the sophisticated Aston Martin V8 Vantage. With its striking looks and sonorous V8 engine, it's a true British sports car. The 4.3-liter V8 produces 380 horsepower, providing ample power for spirited driving. Prices for a used V8 Vantage start at around $45,000. However, keep in mind that maintenance can be costly, and make sure to thoroughly inspect any potential purchase. Last but not least, we have the Audi S5 and Mercedes-AMG C43. The Audi S5 is a sleek all-wheel drive sports coupe with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, producing 354 horsepower. A used S5 can be found for around $35,000. The Mercedes-AMG C43 is a luxurious yet sporty sedan, powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 with 385 horsepower. A used C43 can be had for around $40,000. Both cars offer a great balance of performance and luxury, but make sure to keep an eye on maintenance costs. Now let's talk about financing. Depending on your credit score, you may be able to secure a favorable interest rate for your used sports car purchase. Assuming a 48-month term, here are the estimated monthly payments for each car, excluding taxes and fees. 1. Porsche Cayman, $730 to $920. 2. BMW M4, $940 to $1,180. 3. BMW M2, $730 to $920. 4. Range Rover Sport, $830 to $1,040. 5. Aston Martin V8 Vantage, $940 to $1,180. 6. Audi S5, $730 to $920. 7. Mercedes-AMG C43, $830 to $1,040. Keep in mind that these are approximate figures and may vary depending on the specific vehicle, your credit score, and other factors. And there you have it, folks! Our top 7 used sports cars between $30,000 and $50,000. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect car to match your needs and budget. Remember to always do your research, inspect the vehicle thoroughly, and be mindful of maintenance costs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of Cars for Money.